Wylie, Texas, United States, March 25, 2025. Tuesday's storm was the third to hit the area so far this spring, and this time the residents and businesses in the city of Wylie were the ones taking it all in stride.
It was 89 degrees earlier.
If you drive through Wylie's neighborhoods in the dark, everything seems normal, until you start to notice all the cars and windows covered in paper bags and plastic, a sure sign that something bad has happened. This ping-pong ball-sized hail was reported at 9:33 p.m. Central Daylight Saving Time on March 25, 2025, about 1 mile from the center of Wylie, Texas. Wylie has a population of 41,427 and there are 5,326 housing units in the area. The exact location of the hail report is 33.02, minus 96.52. The area around Wylie has had 8 hailstorm reports within a 10-mile radius in the last 3 years. Our district has a comprehensive emergency management plan. We practice and simulate to make sure everyone knows what to do in the event of a disaster. Our message is simple and we communicate openly and honestly with everyone. I am ready.
Oh my gosh, it's really around here.
I have an amazing superintendent who is working tirelessly to ensure the safety of our staff and students. From the janitor to the board president, everyone is committed to getting our families back to normal as quickly as possible. I am ready. The city of Wylie was forced to close the public safety building due to hail damage. The building is the city's police, fire and 911 communications center. Wylie police said the storm shattered windows on several police cars and shattered glass in the building. They are now working to find a temporary location and dispatch services have been diverted to Collin County.